The Florida Keys represents one of the most biologically rich and ecologically significant regions in North America. This island chain is more than a destination, it's a living laboratory. Our coral reefs, seagrass beds, and mangroves aren't just scenery, they're the heartbeat of the Keys. They support fisheries, protect our shores, and fuel our local economy. From coral restoration to fisheries monitoring, from water quality research to community resilience planning, the Florida Keys brings together a depth and diversity of work that is truly unmatched. Yet the very uniqueness that makes this place so valuable also makes it vulnerable. Coral loss, fish population shifts, increasing pressures. These challenges are complex and interconnected, and they demand more than any single group of people can achieve on their own. They require scientists, resource managers, policymakers, and communities working side by side. By sharing our knowledge, data, and dedication, we can tackle complex problems faster and more effectively than ever before. In the Keys, this cooperative science is already making waves. From habitat restoration to improving resilient fisheries, teamwork is driving real progress. One effort to bring together diverse groups of people working in the Florida Keys occurred in October of 2025. Over 170 participants from government, academia, management, and the community came together to discuss what the future could look like for the Florida Keys marine ecosystems and identify how cooperative science can guide us there.
What we've seen happen over time is really this transformative relationship and partnership between the stakeholders, the users of the fishery, and the scientists and the research coming together and working together in a very cohesive and partnership type of way has really transformed the way that we all are viewing our fishery, the hope for the fishery in the future.
The Florida Keys is such an important place for collaborative science, from the Tortugas all the way to the Upper Keys, and there's so many differences. It really is something that's going to take multiple agencies, multiple user groups to all combine and get together in order to really provide the science that's needed to make the Florida Keys a better place in the future.
The Florida Keys Marine Science Conference is a unique opportunity for scientists all working in the Florida Keys on different disciplines to get together to ensure science drives the next 10 years of research.
The message was clear. The future of the Keys depends on all of us. And together, we can build solutions through collaboration that can provide hope. Innovative research techniques that are improving ecosystem monitoring and cross-sector collaboration can strengthen current and future management decisions. The ideas, energy, and connections formed at this gathering will continue to drive progress in the Keys and far beyond. Together, we can ensure that these ecosystems and the communities that depend on them endure for generations to come. When we work together, through science, stewardship, and care, we can protect this extraordinary ecosystem. Every action counts. Let's keep the Florida Keys thriving for generations to come.